Okay.
Bad shot.
Stop shooting. Stop shooting short. Shooting 3 rounds right now. Shoot full burst.
Last push for reload.
You hella left. 15 right.
Where am I at?
Up, 12-5.
Let's go, Lupo. The gun's yours.
Bro.
Come get up.
I got you. Hold on. Yeah, another one.
What's up, Pip? Left 3. Left 3. Up 2. Up 2.
Down 1.
Up 5.
9 0. You're down 3.
Down.
And that light burn.
The double in front of the single?
Yeah.
Making the adjustment. I'm here. Up 5.
Yep. Now you're gonna look up and visually inspect.
Where you aiming with right now?
Red. Working.
There you go.
Here, I got it.
Good correction, Ramos.
That's still probably
up
pretty
2.
warm.
Send a burst. All right.
Hey, you think you can shoot iron sights?
All right, you're on.
Oh, that sounds so nice.
Did she all know that?
If it's the same spot that I was in, you're gonna hit low. Hit low on the right target.
Right above it. Half load, full load.
Half load.
Good. Yep, just jump on. Yep. There you go. You're good. Okay.
Half load. Full load.
Shorter bursts. Now immediately down 10, and now we're searching fire.
Hey, you're on your way.
Now you're going for the personnel, down 10. Now we're registered.
Alright. No, it's...
I'm trying to paint the target. Is it next to the 2-3 or 1-2 target?
The 1-2.
Okay, go ahead. Yep, you're on.
No, I'm not. Hey!
Yeah.
That means he's gonna be real up.
Oh, down 3.
Yeah, you're hitting it. right. 2 over here.
Come up 5, right 5.
Hey, Robert, your way to the left. You gotta pull it right like 20.
Good job, man. If you can't see the impact, then just keep coming down.
I can't see his impact.
Local. Down 5, right 10.
Down.
Right 10. It's down. All right, go. Remember at the top of the center of the berm.
Now you'll 1 on each side. Late, but they're there.
I can see the right one better.
All right.
That one.
Now if you go like
Mirror. All right, same target. Put it on safe. See it again. Hey. Left and down from the target, right?
Left is down.
Go down.